We're going to heat a little oil in our skillet. I'm going to add a pound of ground beef to this. This is 500 grams. I'm going to season this with salt and pepper and about a teaspoon of thyme. We're just going to let this brown until all the beef is cooked. All right, I am just going to remove the cooked beef into a bowl, but I'm not going to get rid of the liquid. I'm going to leave about 2 tablespoons of the rendered fat inside the pan. I'll get rid of the rest. Now I'm going to add about 2 cups of sliced mushrooms. All right, we're going to let these mushrooms cook for about 7 minutes until they're nicely cooked through. I will add a little salt to them. Our mushrooms are cooked, they're a little brown, they're perfect. I'm going to just put them inside the bowl with the beef. I'm going to add, half a tablespoon of the fat that we had set aside from the meat. If you want to just use oil, that's fine. I'm going to scrape this. And I'm going to add a small yellow onion, which I minced. We're going to cook this for about 4 or 5 minutes until it's softened. I'm going to add about 3 garlic cloves, which I minced. A heaping tablespoon of tomato paste. And let's say about a half a teaspoon of paprika. A little more oil. And we're going to stir this and let it cook for a couple minutes. We are now going to add 3.5 cups of water to this, 800 milliliters. Start with a little bit so I can deglaze. Okay, guys, I'm going to use better than bouillon because we need beef stock. So if you have beef stock in a box or a can, use 2 cups of beef stock and then 1.5 cups of water, okay? So this is what I'm talking about, better than bouillon. I'm going to bring this to a boil before I put that in there. All right, this started boiling, so now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of that bouillon. I'm going to make sure it all dissolves. If you're using a bouillon cube, same thing, right? Make sure that you dissolve it well. So now I'm going to add around 2 cups of penne pasta. You can use any small pasta that you want. You can even use spaghetti if you want for this. That's about 250 grams, like 245 or something. Just don't worry about it, okay? And now what we're going to do is we're going to let this pasta cook in this liquid for about 20 minutes. And it's going to release a bunch of starch, which is going to make our sauce nice and creamy and very delicious. I'm going to taste this for salt. It's fine with the bouillon. I do want you to stir the pasta occasionally, okay? You don't have to stand here and stir it, but when it starts coming to a real hard boil, just stir it a little bit, and that's good. This pasta is cooked al dente. I do want to tell you that for optimal results, we want to use a good quality pasta, okay? I'm going to return the beef and the mushrooms, and we're just going to cook this until it's all nice and heated through again, okay? I am going to taste this for salt. It's fine. All right, we're taking this off the heat. I'm going to add about 1/2 cup of sour cream to this. And we're just going to mix it all in. I'm going to taste this for salt again, now with the cream. I'm going to add a little salt. Some pepper. And some chopped parsley. And dinner's ready. The sauce is great. The mushrooms and the beef, with the pasta, winner, winner.